Hello everyone, welcome back extend video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install any one app on App Store without Apple ID password. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your App Store and from here search for this any one app and tap on Gets. You as can see asking Apple ID password. So how to install without Apple ID password? First of all, go back your home screen and open your setting and tap on screen time. From here you scroll down and tap on content and privacy restriction, and from here you tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. You as can see show required password 2 option, always required and don't required. You make sure that select don't required, and after that go back here home screen and type on Apple ID banner name, and from here you tap on media and purchases and tap on password setting. And from here you as can see free downloading required password. What you need to do it, turn off this toggle and wait some second, and after that tap on done and go back here home screen and open your App Store. Tap on this and tap on any one app, tap on Gets and tap on install. You as can see installing without Apple ID password. If the video is helpful then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.